All right, the White House doubling down this week on antiviral drugs used to treat COVID, making a push for doctors to prescribe Pfizer's Paxlovid now that it's no longer in short supply. But COVID symptoms, they might actually return for some after taking the antiviral pills. The FDA now evaluating reports of a viral load rebound. Benjamin Ryan, NBC News contributor, is here with more on this reporting. So here we have yet another development when it comes to either COVID, any kind of strain of COVID, and now, of course, these antiviral treatments. The FDA granting emergency use authorization for Paxlovid, this was back in December. What can you tell us about these rebound cases that we're learning about now?
So a press rep for Pfizer gave me a statement about these post-treatment viral rebounds. The rep said that in the clinical trial of high-risk unvaccinated people that prompted the FDA to grant the emergency authorization for Paxlovid in December, quote, "We did not see an association between the observed viral load increase following treatment and subsequent severe disease." And I also just heard from the company today that about 2% of people who received the drug in the trial saw their COVID-19 symptoms rebound about 5 to 7 days after finishing the 5-day treatment.
Got it.
So this is compared with a very similar rebound rate, about 1.5% among those who got the placebo.
Okay, so we're hearing 2%. Not a huge number, obviously.
Right.
Pretty small one, to say the least. I do know that you spoke to some health experts about this. And they seem to suggest that maybe 5 days of this antiviral treatment, Paxlovid, was not enough. Is there research being done as to give a longer term treatment?
So right now, Pfizer said that it is only considering conducting such research of Paxlovid for longer than 5 days. And healthcare providers I talk to who care for immunocompromised people are especially concerned that their patients might need such longer treatment times. But because this medication has not received a full approval from the FDA, only in emergency authorizations, physicians right now don't have the discretion to prescribe the drug for longer periods.
So if you're taking Paxlovid and then your symptoms come back, what do you do?
So right now, this is kind of a gray area, and we simply don't have clear guidance from federal agencies such as the CDC, NIH, and FDA. And a lot of experts are calling on those agencies to issue such more specific guidance. An FDA press rep told me the FDA is evaluating the reports of viral load rebound after completing Paxlovid treatment and will share recommendations if appropriate. And a CDC press rep declined to comment when I asked them over the weekend. But some doctors I talked to said that so long as their patient who has experienced a post-Paxlovid rebound of COVID has documentation of testing negative before quickly testing positive again, that these doctors would feel comfortable with prescribing Paxlovid for a second time, so long as the treatment starts within 5 days of symptoms. And I've also talked to experts who say that when it comes to the clock that you follow when following the CDC guidance about self-isolation, that clock should revert to day 1 upon your return of symptoms.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.